vegetable song.
Hi, Pumpkin! You've grown to such a big size!
We are pumpkins, big and round, big and round, big and round. We are pumpkins, big and round, seated on the ground.
Hey, String Bean, you're so long and green!
We are string beans, green and long, green and long, green and long. We are string beans, green and long, growing on a vine.
Hi, kid. Why tears in your eyes?
You're causing burning sensation in my eyes.
But I also add taste to your food. We are onions, round and white, round and white, round and white. We are onions, round and white. We make soup taste right.
Hi, I'm Carrot, long and strong. Loosen the soil to pull me out.
Carrot, you're taller than me!
We are carrots, orange and long, orange and long, orange and long. We are carrots, orange and long. Help us sing the song. Bye bye.
Bye-bye!
Hi, kid.
Who are you?
We are cabbage, green or red, green or red, green or red. We are cabbage, green or red. See our funny head.
Hi, kid.
Who are you?
I am corn, sweet and delicious. We are corn stalks, tall and straight, tall and straight, tall and straight. We are corn stalks, tall and straight. Don't we just taste great? Aren't we great in taste?
Here we go round.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. This is the way we clean our teeth on a cold and frosty morning.
Accessory used to clean our teeth. Tongue cleaner? No. Gum massager? No. Toothbrush? Yes.
This is the way we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. This is the way we clean our teeth on a cold and frosty morning.
This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. When do we wash our hands? Before and after meal? Yes. After outdoor games? Yes. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes on a cold and frosty morning.
This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair on a cold and frosty morning.
What should be used to comb our hair? Scissors? No. Hair dryer? No. Comb? Yes.
This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we wave our arms, wave our arms, wave our arms. This is the way we wave our arms on a cold and frosty morning. This is the way we jump up and down, jump up and down, jump up and down. This is the way we jump up and down on a cold and frosty morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a cold and frosty morning.
Old Macdonald had a farm. Hey there, we are going to Macdonald's farm.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof.
Dogs are very friendly. They're man's best friend.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You can enjoy a horse ride.
Hooray!
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. Hey kids, what sound does a horse make?
It's neigh neigh.
With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Hey kids, let's enjoy the pig racing competition.
Hooray!
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Kids, what sound does a pig make? Oink, meow, moo. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Why have you kept a cow in the farm?
Cow gives us milk, yummy yummy. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. The moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.